Hey guys, it's Daniel, and today we're going to be launching that rocket right there. Alright, so we're all the way back here. I'm with my dad and with my my brother. And so all we have to do is put this pin in.
So, what kind of rocket is this?
Wait. It's an Alpha. Wait a minute. Do we have to take this out?
I think you probably have to hold that down and push the button.
Okay. Wait. Launching Alpha 3 rocket in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Dev, why didn't you record that?
I did.
And when the
nowhere.
You couldn't even see it.
No.
But it's got to blow that way. Put the flag thing back on there. See if the wind's still blowing that way.
Alright, we'll be back when we see the rocket floating down. Okay, so, well, we lost it. It's nowhere. And, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for Alpha 3 rocket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.